Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the AC system is located, the one that turns on and off. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. You guys may have one more fuse, so altogether 2 fuses. Stay with us, we're going to talk about that, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So now we're going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey that we have right here, guys. You have 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work, okay, in one fuse box today. And if you go on the inside of your Honda Odyssey, on the driver's side and passenger side, you have 2 fuse boxes. But on the driver's side, if you look upside down under the dash in the corner there, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, we're going to explain where the AC fuse is located, but you have one more fuse that's known as AC clutch fuse, also known as MG clutch fuse. We have the video on our channel, check it out if you need help with this one. But the fuse that we'll need to check today for the AC system, if we zoom in a little bit right here on the bottom, you're going to see numbers 1 through 14 right here, and on top they go 15 through 28 right here. Now the fuse that we'll need to check for the AC system is fuse number 10 right here. That fuse will need to be checked. If your AC doesn't work, check also fuses for AC clutch, and check radiator fan fuses, because if the radiator fan doesn't work, the AC will not work as well. Thank you for watching, see you next time.